We are in the construction industry in UAE. We are a group based in Sharjah in UAE. We have branches all over the UAE, in Saudi Arabia, and in Qatar. I'm Dr. Ahmed Al-Taha, the CEO for Ali Mousa and Sons Holding Group. The current booming taking place in the GCC in the construction industry, we have actually expanded a lot. We are one of the well-known groups now in UAE and maybe in the Gulf.
My name is Ahmed Ali Mousa Al-Nakbi. I'm the Executive Vice President of Ali Mousa and Sons Group. Our group consists of a couple of companies, mainly in construction, and we have a joinery factory, we have aluminium and glass factory, we have steel factory, we have caravans factory, we have a real estate division, we have also crusher.
In such expansion, the management will be very severe whenever it's related to cost control. Therefore, we were keen to use and utilize developed softwares to enable us controlling the cost, which is the main target for any successful group.
The problem in the previous ERP solution was that there are a lot of modules working independently from the system. It was not integrated.
So we find a solution, EPROM solution, to support us to more control for all our departments, payroll, HR, workshop, account department, procurement, project management.
Lately, we have been able to successfully use the software developed by ePromise, and what was good and what made us choose this system is the flexibility available in this system. It's a general framework. It's not designated for a certain purpose. It is general, it's abstract, and it was customized to meet our targets. So there was a successful merger between the characteristics that are embedded in ePromise and in our management methodology.
I like the authorization or the approval system that they have. It reduced a lot of our employees' time and manager times, which will directly impact or indirectly impact the delivery of the construction projects.
Once we have deployed this software, our account department, financial departments are able to follow up and control the cost. In such competitive environment, actually our profits are not generated from adding money, but from the cost savings that we can make, thus improving our opportunities to have better income, less expenses, thus achieving more profits.
كنا بنعاني من بعض التواريخ في انتهاء تواريخ التأشيرات وبطاقات العمل، وبالنسبة للأجازات كنا بنحسبها مانوال. برنامج الإيبروميس أفادنا كتير في استخراج التقارير الإدارية، التقارير المالية، في تنظيم حركة تجديد الإقامات، في استخراج التقارير الخاصة بالعمال من حيث انتهاء الجوازات السفر، تاريخ الانتهاء، بالنسبة لتاريخ انتهاء بطاقات العمل.
I like the approval system that it has for the top management. For us, I like the dashboard that it provide, because everything is there. The performance of each company, the performance of each division, the costing, the pricing, everything is there. We believe that ePromise can fulfill all our requirements, especially in construction and the industrial companies.